Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best PC cases that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. NZXT H7 Flow. Meet the NZXT H7 Flow 2024, a stylish mid-tower ATX PC case designed for gamers and PC builders who want excellent airflow, clean cable management, and strong cooling performance, all in a sleek white finish. Priced at just $69.99, the H7 Flow 2024 offers premium airflow-focused design, 3 pre-installed fans, and modern build features that are typically found in more expensive cases. Supports ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards. Includes 3 pre-installed 120mm fans for efficient out-of-the-box cooling. Optimized airflow design with a highly ventilated front panel. Supports bottom-mounted fans for direct GPU cooling. Spacious interior for high-end graphics cards and large CPU coolers. Advanced cable management channels and routing system for a clean build. Supports multiple radiator configurations for future liquid cooling upgrades. Tool-friendly design makes installation and upgrades easier. Pros: excellent airflow and cooling performance. Includes 3 fans, adding extra value. Clean, modern white aesthetic. Easy cable management system. Great compatibility for gaming and high-performance builds. Cons: no RGB fans included. Front I/O selection is fairly basic. Premium materials are limited compared to higher-end cases. Number 4. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Introducing the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack, a unique mid-tower ATX PC case that combines a modular design, compact footprint, and impressive hardware compatibility for gamers and PC enthusiasts. At just $63.99, the Qube 500 Flatpack delivers exceptional value with its fully modular construction, support for ATX motherboards, and premium customization options rarely found in this price range. Fully modular flatpack design for easy transport and assembly. Supports ATX, MicroATX, Mini-ATX, and eATX motherboards. Includes 1 pre-installed 120mm rear fan for immediate airflow. Supports vertical GPU mounting for showcase builds. Compatible with dual 280mm radiators for advanced liquid cooling setups. Tempered glass side panel displays internal components beautifully. Flexible interior layout allows multiple hardware configurations. Compact exterior design while maintaining excellent component compatibility. Rear-mounted power supply design helps maximize internal space. Pros: innovative modular flatpack design. Excellent hardware compatibility for its size. Supports eATX motherboards and large GPUs. Great customization and build flexibility. Strong value for budget-conscious builders. Cons: only 1 fan included out of the box. Assembly takes longer than traditional cases. Vertical GPU mount hardware may require additional accessories. Number 3. InWin A3-mATX. Introducing the InWin A3-mATX gaming chassis, a premium compact PC case that combines modern aesthetics, tempered glass styling, and powerful cooling support for gaming and high-performance builds. Priced at $131.99, the InWin A3 offers premium build quality, an included ARGB fan, versatile cooling options, and a sleek compact design for enthusiasts who want both performance and style. Compact MicroATX style gaming chassis with a clean, modern design. Includes 1 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fan for lighting effects and airflow. Tempered glass side panel showcases your components beautifully. Supports both air cooling and water cooling configurations. Spacious interior for powerful GPUs and modern gaming hardware. Rear-mounted power supply design helps optimize internal layout. Excellent cable management options for a cleaner build. Premium steel construction enhances durability and aesthetics. Ideal for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking a compact yet capable case. Pros: stylish premium design with tempered glass panel. Included ARGB fan adds visual appeal. Supports both air and liquid cooling setups. Compact size without sacrificing performance potential. Excellent build quality and cable management. Cons: higher price compared to many MicroATX cases. Only one fan included out of the box. Limited internal space compared to full-size mid-tower cases. Number 2. Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow. Introducing the Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow, a stylish mid-tower ATX case featuring dual-tempered glass panels, vibrant ARGB lighting, and excellent cooling support for gaming and professional PC builds. At just $69.99, this case offers premium looks, 3 included ARGB fans, support for large motherboards, and extensive cooling options, making it an outstanding value in the mid-tower category. Supports ATX, ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards. Includes 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans for impressive airflow and lighting effects. Features front and side dual-tempered glass panels for a panoramic showcase design. Supports radiators up to 360mm for high-performance liquid cooling setups. Spacious interior accommodates powerful GPUs and modern gaming hardware. Bottom-mounted power supply design helps improve cable organization. Supports both air and water cooling configurations. Elegant snow-white finish adds a premium and modern aesthetic. Backed by a 3-year manufacturer warranty for added peace of mind. Pros: beautiful dual-tempered glass showcase design. 3 ARGB fans included out of the box. Excellent cooling and airflow potential. Supports large ATX motherboards and 360mm radiators. Outstanding value for the price. Cons: glass-heavy design may require more frequent cleaning. Airflow is slightly more restricted than full mesh front cases. White finish may show dust more easily over time. Number 1. Lian Li A3-mATX. Introducing the Lian Li A3-mATX, a compact 26.3-liter micro-form factor PC case developed in collaboration with Dan Cases. It combines premium build quality, modular design, and impressive hardware compatibility in a sleek, space-saving package. Priced at $89.99, the A3-mATX offers premium engineering, flexible component support, and exceptional customization options, making it a great value for enthusiasts building a compact gaming or productivity PC. Compact 26.3L microform factor chassis with efficient space utilization. Supports both MicroATX and Mini-ATX motherboards. Designed in collaboration with Dan Cases for optimized airflow and hardware compatibility. Flexible power supply mounting system for multiple build configurations. Supports up to a 360mm AIO liquid cooler, impressive for its compact size. Modular internal layout allows easier customization and upgrades. Accommodates high-performance graphics cards and modern hardware. Durable alloy steel construction for long-lasting reliability. Minimalist black design fits gaming, workstation, or professional setups. Pros: compact footprint with excellent hardware compatibility. Supports 360mm AIO cooling solutions. Highly modular and customizable design. Premium build quality from Lian Li. Great balance between size and performance. Cons: no fans included in the package. Compact layout may require careful cable management. Slightly higher price than some entry-level MicroATX cases. Interested in the Lian Li A3-mATX? Check the affiliate link in the description below for the latest price and availability. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more PC hardware reviews and build guides.